Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can create the reverse forward control in LS PLC. First of all, we will open our XG5000 software and here we will create some new variables. Right click it on the window and after you can go to the open local variables. Click it on this one. This page will be appear and here you can select the variable type. This is the variable type and here you have to give the variable name. An example, we will give the name it here reverse, for example, reverse motor, and next we have to be give the type. This is the bool or which type of the variable that you have to be select, and here you have to be give the address. For an example, I will choose the first address IX0. This is my first input address of the PLC, and next we will be here. If you like to give the comment, you can give. If you don't like to give the comment, you can go to the next variable. This variable also we can type the variable, and here we type the forward FWD. When you type, this will be comes type, and here address we will be give IX1 for the forward. Sorry, this name will not type the correct. We have to be type first percentage after IX1, and next variable we will be type. Next variable we will be designed for the motor, MOTOR, motor reverse, and type bool, and address we will be give percentage after QX0 will be defined for the reverse condition, and next variable we will be create for the motor forward, motor underscore forward, and next address we will be give for an example QX1. So this is 4 contacts we need for our reverse forward program. Go to the ladder logic, and here we will be clicking on the first variable, which is we make for the IX1 and IX0, which you defined here the variables. You can select it here from here. For an example, first input we will be take the IX0 reverse and click OK, and in the next row you have to be take the output. For an example, motor reverse, you have to be take the QX0 and click enter, and next we will be choose the variable which we will create for the forward push button, that we can select the forward, and next we need the output of the QX1 motor forward. Motor reverse already we chose, and motor forward we choose this one. So now we have to be make the interlock for this program, because of if one on, second will be not on. If somebody by mistake maybe both push buttons will be pressed, after one only needs to be on, both will be no allowed. So we will take the close contact of the motor forward and place it here, and in the second we will be need the motor reverse contact of the forward. So almost our program is now completed, and we will connect our PLC with the PC, and again we will be click it on the right and click OK, and wait for seconds until the program will be completed. And now you have to be make it the monitor. Now I monitor, and now if I press the forward condition, our motor will be start running in the forward condition. And when I press the reverse push button, after our motor will be runs in the reverse condition. But if some case maybe somebody press the both buttons, see both buttons are now pressed, but our own one motor will be on yani in the reverse condition, second will be cannot on, maybe somebody press but it will be not on. But if I release this button, second after you will when press, after your motor will be on. So this system called an interlock with safety yani. So our when you press the forward, motor will be run in forward condition. When you press the reverse button, our motor will be run in the reverse condition. So hope guys you will be understand about this reverse forward control by the momentary system. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. In the next video, I will explain you about the motor reverse and forward with the time how we can create the program. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.